Good afternoon. In this video, we're going to go over this week's options watch list. Before I get into the watch list, if you're not in the room, you can find the link in the description of the video and in my bio section of social media accounts. Also, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Now this week's going to be a short week because Thursday we have Thanksgiving and Friday we have Black Friday, which means it's a half a day. Market closes at 1. There's not going to be much volume. And it might even be best just to take Friday off too and just enjoy the long weekend. But sometimes when we have these short weeks or half a days, a lot of people are gone and there's not much volume. But sometimes the market makers like to sneak something by. But it's up to you if you want to trade on Friday or not. I don't know if I'm going to or not. We'll see how I feel on Friday. But it's going to be a short week, at least a 3-day week. So looking at the put to call ratio right now, it's at 0.51%. It's not really low, but it is more on the... Now looking at the economic calendar for the week, let's see, Monday, don't see anything. Tuesday, we got consumer confidence at 10. That's it. And Wednesday, unemployment claims at 8:30. Core PCI at 10. Oh, and we have FOMC, the minutes, no Powell. So that's going to be fun. So yeah, FOMC on Wednesday with no Powell, just the minutes. And obviously Thursday's Thanksgiving, no news. Friday, no news on Friday. Friday, like I said, is half a day. So with that said, just making sure my mic's still on. Now I have SPY up. SPY has got an inverted cup and handle on the hourly. You got the cup, you got the handle. We'll have to see if that actually plays out this week. May be a do nothing week. Much may not happen, but it's been consolidating on the hourly right in the 594, 593 area. So if it gets over 596, we're probably going to shoot to 600. And if it doesn't, if we lose 593, we're probably going to shoot down to 584. And it's either going to bounce at the support right here, or we're going to fill the gap from elections. We'll have to see what happens with that. So keep an open mind and look at it from both bearish and bullish, because we don't know where it's going to go. Right now the VIX is at 15. The VIX can go as low as 12. Right here is what, 13, 14, under 14, 13, high 13s, but it's got room to 12. So VIX, I mean, SPY can go to all-time high, make new all-time high, and VIX can get crushed down to 11 or 12. So keep that in mind on that. BA had a bounce on Friday, and it's at a good area right here at 150. If it breaks 150, we could end up seeing a push to 155, 160, and break this downtrend on BA's weekly that we've had for the entire year. So keep an eye on that. Maybe something happens. Amazon, we're going into the Christmas season, and it's been red almost every day for the last couple of weeks, except one day, which I think was Tuesday. So I'd be watching for a bounce on Amazon. Amazon usually does well going into earnings. So I'd watch it over 198 for push to 200, 205, 210. Netflix. Watch Netflix over, let's see, not over, but under this 894, 895 for a push down to the 890, 885, 880. 875 area. It's got huge. I mean, the RSI is over 80 on the weekly and daily. So Netflix is going to let some air out. So definitely keep an eye on for Netflix to drop this week. NVDA, you know, it usually ends up taking off. The red days end up getting bought. Maybe NVIDIA is finally waking up and may actually fall a little more. So I'd keep an eye out underneath 141 for push to 140. It gets under 140, it's probably going to see 135, possibly even 130 on NVIDIA. Tesla is the last one. You know, Tesla, you know, it's got a bearish divergence going on. The price, the price is higher as the RSI is lower, and same with the histogram. So it's showing a bearish divergence on the daily, but you can watch it underneath 350 for push to 340. But if it does manage to get over 360, or not even 360, over 355, it's probably going to push to 360 and probably push to 370, 380. There's a lot of hype going around with Musk and joining Trump's administration, so that could end up, you know, just creating more hype on Tesla and going higher. So be careful on the drop on that. The drop could be just something very, very small, maybe a couple days, and end up rocketing over 360. So that's all I'm really watching. Not much really to go on this week because there's only 3 days. We don't know what's going to happen. The only good thing is FOMC on Wednesday, but other than that, it's going to be a dud week, I think. So just enjoy the first few days of trading and then probably take the rest of the week off. There's no point hanging around for half a day, in my opinion. I don't know if I will or not. I'll make the decision on Friday, but so that's going to do it for the watch list, and thanks for watching.